considered to be undervalued when dividend, Vectorvest reports annual, regular, cash dividends as indicated by the most recent payments. Special distributions, one-time payments, stock dividends, etc. are not generally included in div. JAGX does not pay a dividend. Dividend yield (DI) reflects dividend per share as a percent of price. JAGX does not pay a dividend, so it does not have a dividend yield rating. DI equals 100x, div price. It is useful to compare DI with A. If DI is not significantly lower than A, the dividend payment may be in jeopardy. DS, dividend safety. DS is an indicator of the assurance that regular cash dividends will be declared and paid at current or at higher rates for the foreseeable future. JAGX does not pay a dividend, so it does not have a dividend safety rating. Stocks with DS values above 75 typically have RS values well above 1.00 and A levels that are much higher than DI.DG, dividend growth rate. Dividend growth is a forecasted annual growth rate of a company's dividend based on historical dividend payments and dividend predictability. It is a subtle, yet important indicator of a company's financial performance. It also provides some insight into the board's outlook on the company's ability to increase earnings. JAGX does not pay a dividend, so it does not have a dividend growth rating. YSG vector. YSG is an indicator which combines DI, DS and DG into a single value and allows direct comparison of all dividend-paying stocks in the database. JAGX does not pay a dividend, so it does not have a YSG rating. Stocks with the highest YSG values have the best combinations of dividend yield, safety, and growth. These are the stocks to buy for somewhat above current income and long-term growth. AVVOL. AVVOL is the 50-day moving average of daily volume as computed by Vectorvest. JAGX has an AVVOL of 74,395,703 shares traded per day. Percent vol reflects the percent change in today's trading volume as compared to the AVVOL. Percent vol equals volume, AVVOL 100. JAGX had a percent vol of -77.33% on Tuesday, February 9, 2021. PRC. JAGX price changed 2.00% from the prior day's closing price. Sales. JAGX has annual sales of 8 million. Sales growth. Sales growth is the sales growth rate in percent over the last 12 months. JAGX has a sales growth of 185.00% per year. This is excellent. Sales per share, SPS. JAGX has annual sales of 9 cents per share. Price to sales ratio, PS. JAGX has a PS of 32.74. Shares. JAGX has 89 million shares of stock outstanding. Market capitalization. JAGX has a market capitalization of $272 million. Business sector. JAGX has been assigned to the drug business sector. Vectorvest classifies stocks into over 200 industry groups and 40 business sectors. Industry group. JAGX has been assigned to the drug, biomedical genetic, industry group. Vectorvest classifies stocks into over 200 industry groups and 40 business sectors. Market momentum. Extreme greed. S&P 500 is 9.83% above its 125-day average. This is further above the average than has been typical during the last 2 years, and rapid increases like this often indicate extreme greed. Last changed February 3 from a greed rating updated February 9 at 5:02 p.m. Stock price strength. Greed number of stocks hitting 52-week highs exceeds the number hitting lows and is at the upper end of its range, indicating greed. Last changed February 2 from an extreme greed rating updated February 9.